Hello viewers, in today's video, I'm having a past question from JAMB 2025. JAMB 2025. The question says, what is the molecular mass of an alkanoic acid if 0.5 mole of the acid weighs 44 grams? What is the molecular mass of an alkanoic acid if 0.5 mole of the acid weighs 44 grams? Okay, we have some possible options: A, 72, B, 88, C, 60, and of course D, 46. Okay, now the question says we should find the molecular mass. Okay, now if the molecular formula of this alkanoic acid was given, it would have been very easy for us to find the molecular mass. Okay, now recall that alkanoic acid are organic compounds with a carboxy functional group. They have a carboxy functional group. Okay, now they have the formula. This is the molecular, this is the formula for, general formula for alkanoic acid. Okay, basically we have different kinds of alkanoic acid. We have methanoic acid, which is the first member and is sometimes called formic acid. We have ethanoic acid. We are also called acetic acid. We have butanoic acid. We have propanoic acid. We have hexadecanoic acid, and of course many other examples. Okay, for now we do not know the alkanoic acid yet. Okay, but they said if 0.5 mole of such acid weighs 44 grams, we should find the molecular mass. Okay, so how do we solve this kind of problem? It's very simple. Okay, recall that in my previous video I had established that number of moles was equal to what? Mass divided by the molar mass. Okay, now we have the number of moles of the alkanoic acid, we have the mass of the alkanoic acid. What we're looking for is the what? Molecular mass. Okay, and how do we solve it? It's going to be very simple. Okay, so far so good. We have the number of moles of the alkanoic acid to be 0.5 mole, and of course the mass of the alkanoic acid to be what? 44 grams. Okay, so we're looking for the molecular mass. Recall that number of mole is equal to what? Mass divided by the molar mass. Okay, so we have the mass to be 44 grams. Of course, number of moles to be 0.5 mole. Okay, so how do we make molar mass the subject of the formula? Because this is what we're looking for. Okay, this is what we're looking for. So how do we make molar mass the subject of the formula? It's going to be very simple. We're going to cross multiply this equation. So once we cross multiply, we're going to have molar mass denoted by capital letter M multiplied by number of moles Okay, we have molar mass or molecular mass denoted by capital letter M multiplying number of moles denoted by small letter n, okay, being equal to mass. So this is what we're looking for. So how do we make molecular mass the subject of the formula? It's very simple. We're going to divide both sides by number of moles, small letter n. Okay, so we have the molecular mass being equal to what? Mass divided by what? Number of moles. Okay, so this is very simple. Already we have the value for what? Mass, which is equal to what? 44 grams. And of course, number of moles is equal to what? 0.5 mole. So if you check this out using our calculator, 44 divided by 0.5, we're going to have 88. So this is our final answer, 88, okay? Molecular mass of alkanoic acid of 0.5 mole alkanoic acid that weighs 44 grams is equal to what? 88 grams per mole, okay? So let's check the possible options. We have A, which says 72 is wrong, B, which says 88, and this is the correct option. This is the correct option, 88, and of course C is 60 wrong, D 46 wrong, okay? So the correct option is option B, which says what? 88, okay? That is our final answer. This question is coming from JAM 2025. JAM 2025. If you're interested in this kind of videos, don't forget to like and share. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Must Online Class. Follow me on TikTok, Must Online Class, and of course on Facebook, Must Online Class and Must Take Command. Thank you for watching and God bless you. See you in my subsequent videos. Bye.